Hi, if you're considering opening your own recruiting and staffing firm and not sure which model works for you, stay with me. I'll help you get through this process. There are three types of searches. Contingent, meaning you get paid if you fill the role. Contingent, which means the client will give you a deposit, and when you fill the role, they'll pay you the rest. Or performance or retainer based, where they will pay you initially upfront for you to conduct the search, your time and material, when you present 2, maybe 3 candidates, and then an offer acceptance. If all this seems overwhelming, don't worry about it. I can help you through this process. I've owned and operated a recruiting firm for 15 years, and I've got proven success helping founders in our business grow $100,000 up to $6 million in revenue. And I don't compete with you like other coaches. So if this is of interest to you, please click the link in the description below. I look forward to meeting you. Thanks for watching.